the Allspark gone, we cannot return life to our planet. And fate has yielded its reward. A new world to call home. We live among its people now, hiding in plain sight, but watching over them in secret, waiting, protecting. I have witnessed their capacity for courage, and though we are worlds apart, like us, there's more to them than meets the eye. I am Optimus Prime, and I send this message to any surviving Autobots taking refuge among the stars. We are here. We are waiting.
Shed any light on the recent so-called alien activity?
You know what? I think that if there was some sort of an alien infestation,
the government would be the first to let you know.
The government would let us know.
I mean, this is America.
Yeah. You know, that's how we know we live in a free land, because there's no secrets. They'd say, hey, duck and cover. Your head is kind of a different size than it is on television.